Hello boys and girls, we are going to start our night archery contest and our coding challenges. So on this one I've already got the sprites, but I'm going to just talk about them for a little bit. On the knight sprite, on his costume, I took and I highlighted him and flipped him so he's facing this direction. I wanted this arrow, so I came to this arrow and I copied it, so I hit copy and then I came over here and I clicked paste so it would show up right here. Now on this one I just did circles and colored them in, and then on this one it's just the arrow, but because I wanted it to go to the knight, when I did that it ended up here. It is like neck, so I moved the arrow costume down a little bit so it would go straight to the knight. So that's kind of how you get your sprites. So let's go ahead and code this knight. So once I click on code, I'm going to click on the knight and I'm going to say go to this position, but I only want him to stay on this Y position. So I'm going to put in an operator. I'm going to put in an operator and I'm going to say pick a number, and I know that this is 180, this is negative 180. So I'm going to do a little bit less than that. I'm going to say, like, put it back in, sorry about that. I'm going to do like 170 to a negative 170, so that way he's not going off. So now when I pick a random position, and you see he's still kind of going off the thing, so I'm going to change this number just a little bit. So you may have to play with this number, but let's try that one. Okay, so now you see we've got him ready to go. So now he has some pretty basic movements. So you're just going to go to your controls, and I'm going to tell him to forever go to X 198, and then I'm going to come down here to sensing and say go to mouse Y. Okay. So now I do that, and you see he goes to where I need him to go. So this is just a simple way to code him. And remember, you could, like we did in our very first project, you could duplicate this and make costumes and change costumes so it looks like he's running. So that is how you could move that's how you could move your knight. So let's go ahead and go to the arrow for just a second. So you said it says go to the knight, right? Well, I want it to forever go to the knight. So I'm going to go ahead and put this inside of a forever loop. So it's going, in the flag, it's going to forever go to the knight. Okay, so now when we have this, so now as it's moving, you see that you have that arrow is there. And now in the next video, I'm going to show you how to code the arrow to hit the target.